Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to send Robux to friends easily. And as you can see, I'm on my profile. I've currently got 550 Robux. And to get started, you need to go to the group section. And once there, make sure you have a group to work with. If you don't, you may need to create one yourself to become the owner. To create a group, simply click on the Create Group button and provide a name, description, and group icon. You also need to pay 100 Robux to complete the process. Once the group is created, you'll be the owner and can manage it as you see fit. It's important to note the owning a group is a continuous responsibility rather than a one-time task. After creating your group, navigate to the store section. And as you can see, there's nothing available for sale at the moment. And to distribute Robux, you need to use the group funds feature, which is the only way to transfer Robux on Roblox. And to get started, you need to sell something within the group in order to generate funds. Once you have made a sale, you can withdraw those funds as Robux and distribute them to members of the group. Once you have generated funds by selling something within the group, you'll need to navigate to the revenue section and select payouts. And from there, click on the one-time payout and enter the user and the amount of Robux you want to give out. As long as the user is a member of the group, you can send the Robux to them. So make sure you have some Robux available in your group. So get your friends or other users to join the group, and then you can easily distribute the Robux to them through the one-time payout features. It's important to keep in mind that in order to get any Robux inside or any group, you have to sell something and you will be charged a Robux tax on the sale. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.